Hey there, my Reddit friends. Let me start with putting on my big glasses for big dreams. This is kind of fun because I have to use reading glasses now these days. And so I decided I'm going to have the best collection of reading glasses in the universe. Anyway, so you'll see me with the different glasses, so I can have fun doing this too. Well, you know what? I feel like I'm building a little Reddit family here. On Friday, today's Monday, on Friday I shot some of these videos, and I started to get a little cranky. So if you've been following all the answers that I've been doing, I've made a little bit of a dedication to the Reddit network because I just love what it's all about, how it got started. I like the fact that, these are real questions, and I can give real answers. When I give those answers, I get to spill a little medicine on my own self, too. So anyway, here's some new glasses that came in today. How do you like them? All right. Well, listen, I got a little cranky, so today, I got some good sleep over the weekend. I got to the gym, so I'm feeling good. All right, listen, as I always start this, I always mention RussWhitney.com. I'm Russ Whitney. And if you want to learn more about what we do and the projects and training and events, go to RussWhitney.com. That saves me to have to do my bio over and over again, which I really get tired of. Anyway, this is coming from Real Estate Investing, posted by udevi_2n. Okay. What she says, or he says, what options do I have of getting capital to buy a second house? I'm brand new to real estate investment. But what is the first step? I don't have much investment money, only $5,000, and my own house, and do not want to move, sell, or rent it. Okay. I'm looking to buy a cheap foreclosure house. What is a good option to get the capital to buy a second house? Okay, this is like multi-questions, so you own your own house. It would help if I knew what type of house, what the value of the house was, how much equity you have in it. It would also help if I knew what kind of work you do, what's your income. So, folks, when you're writing in questions like this, if you want good answers from me, give me a little more information about you. How much time do you have to spend on real estate? Are you married, single? Do you have kids? What type of income? That would all be helpful to give you a good answer. This one, since I don't know the type of house you have, I'm just going to say it's probably moderate income. I'm going to guess you're probably somewhere between $50,000 and maybe $110,000 income. You only have $5,000, and you're looking to buy a cheap foreclosure house. All right, let me start there. First of all, what you're going to learn from me, and again, I'll send you to RussWhitney.com for more information and video training, but why do you want to get stuck on foreclosures? Everybody thinks, if they're a beginner or intermediate, and I don't mean this in any kind of an insulting way, foreclosures, there's steals and foreclosures. Well, yes and no. Foreclosure should be just one part of your prospecting. You should be looking at low and moderate income houses. You should be looking at duplexes, triplexes, 4 units, not a single family house. And the reason I say that is when you have a duplex, triplex, or a 4-unit building, you've got income coming in. For example, take a duplex. Each side rents for $1,000. You have $2,000 coming in. And I use this example all the time because it's how it works. You deduct your projected taxes, insurance, water, sewer, maintenance, vacancy. If there's money left over, that's positive cash flow. That's an income producer. That's what you want. If you go buy a single family home and it's vacant, it's 100% vacant. If you buy a duplex and you have a vacancy, it's only 50% vacant. You still have income coming in. That's the best way to start working toward financial independence. So, there's some books I read in the past. One of them had the 100-house rule. Go look at 100 houses before you buy one. I don't think that's necessary. It depends on how much training you have. You know what? I'll suggest this book, Building Wealth. This is a book that is autobiographical. I wrote this years ago, but it's been updated, and it's how I took $1,000 and turned it into $4.7 million worth of real estate in 18 months. I know that sounds too good to be true, but this is published by Simon & Schuster, which is probably the largest, if not one of the largest publishers in the world. One of the first testimonials in here comes from Tony Robbins. So if you're looking to make money, or you're into growing yourself motivationally, or seeking personal growth, then you must know who Tony Robbins is. There's all kinds of other very well-known people who have endorsed this book over the years. I write like I talk. It's in layman's terms. I would suggest that if you're really serious, get the book. In fact, if you go to support@russwhitney.com, I'll send you one for free. So guys, denote this name right here. This would be U/Debbie_2N. So if that's your handle, and actually anybody watching this video, I'll tell you what, I give you the same offer. All you have to do is go to support@russwhitney.com and ask us for the free book offer. All you pay is shipping and handling, I'll send it to you free. So my answer to you would be this. I would look at handyman specials. I would call some real estate brokers that deal with income producing property, not just single family homes. And I'd start looking at properties. You can get into a property with $5,000 down, but if you're going to go in and you need to do cosmetic repairs, it's not going to leave you enough money. So, it's very hard to answer this in 3 to 5 minutes on this video. Order the book. I would suggest you do that, and go to russwhitney.com. There's all types of training on there. Simply opt in and you'll get access to all of it. So I hope that answers your question. Russ Whitney signing off.